was stranded when the landslide actually happened in Sikkim. These are the information that we collected from our sources. And right now, the big update of the hour coming in straight from Sikkim is about the landslide that happened there in Sikkim, number one. And the newly elected Sikkim Chief Minister, of course, going to the ground, taking cognizance of the situation, what exactly transpired, how many people and households have been affected because of the landslide there, and what exactly the situation at the moment looks like. We'll bring you more details about what exactly is happening there on the ground, if the government of Sikkim has already announced any sort of compensation for the people who have been affected and their household which got affected due to the landslide in the area. But right now, the biggest update that we have received is with regards to the Chief Minister going to the affected area and taking cognizance, taking stock of the situation about the damage that has been caused because of the landslide that occurred in Sikkim. On your screens, we are in fact flashing the visuals of the tragic incident that transpired in Sikkim, where 6 people unfortunately lost their life as well. And of course, the Chief Minister on the right side of your screens, as you can see, is talking to the local people over there, asking them about what exactly transpired, how much damage has been caused to Sikkim, what exactly can be done by the government, as you can see clearly on your screens. So the landslides have wreaked havoc in Sikkim at the moment, but rescue operations are still going on. There are a couple of tourists who are still stranded, and unfortunately we heard the news of 6 people also being killed in the massive landslide that happened there in Sikkim. But Chief Minister is there on the ground taking cognizance of the situation about what exactly transpired, how many of them have been affected because of the massive landslide that killed so many people and has damaged so much property of Sikkim. What exactly can be done, what compensation has been announced by the government. We'll bring you all of those details as and when we receive it from our reporters on the ground. So just to tell you what exactly transpired there, massive landslides triggered by incessant rainfalls left over 1,200 tourists, including 15 foreigners, stranded in Mangan district of Sikkim. At the moment, as you can see, that we are continuously flashing those horrific visuals on your screen of the landslide on the left side of your screens. We learned it from our sources that 6 people unfortunately lost their lives. Rescue operation is still going on. Chief Minister is there on the ground talking to the local people, talking about the kind of compensation he can actually make for the people. We have seen a News 18's Preeti Priyadarshini, in fact, joining us on the broadcast to bring us more straight from the ground. Preeti, tell us what exactly is the Chief Minister saying at the moment, what kind of compensation is going to be announced from his government, and what do we know about the rescue operations also?
Explorations are going on. As we have seen, a lot of tourists are still stranded over there in North Sikkim, which is a very major tourist spot. Mostly people go to North Sikkim as it has a lot of glaciers and it's a very beautiful place to visit. So a lot of tourists are still stranded over there, and rescue operations are on. As you have stated about the Chief Minister's announcing the compensation, he is yet to announce a particular sum of money, but he has stated that compensation will be announced for all the deceased people, the 6 people who have lost their lives, and all kind of efforts, as he has already stated, that all kind of efforts are being made so that the stranded people can be rescued and brought back to a safer place. But yes, so we have said a lot of devastation has been done, and a very newly constructed Bailey Bridge at Sankalang has also collapsed. And this is the bridge actually which was constructed after the last year's October. If you remember, in the last year, also in the month of October, due to the very severe flood in the Testa River, such a similar kind of a situation happened where a very important Bailey Bridge was broken down by this disaster. And now again, we have seen that the newly constructed bridge, which is a very important link between Mangan with Jongo and Chungthang, it has been broken, which is actually making communication much difficult for the people to rescue, and also those for the people, for the tourists to come back to a safer place. So we have seen that even now there is no electricity. It has been completely been disconnected from the main major, we can see the town of Sikkim, Gangtok. So the rescue operations are on, efforts are being made, but yes, a very slight improvement has been seen. But yes, the Chief Minister is now on the ground, as you have rightly stated.
Right, Preeti. Thank you so much for putting all of that into perspective for our viewers and bringing in the latest information with regards to that unfortunate accident that transpired there in Sikkim and what